Mae Rebecca yn un o'r ychydig ferchaid sydd yn ymgymryd â chwrs peintio a phapuro yng Coleg Glannau Dyfrdwy. Rebecca is a college ambassador, representing the construction department and also works to promote women in construction.
The course is really interesting. I'm learning new things every day. I love practical stuff. I like to keep on the go all the time.
The fact that she competes in a lot of competitions for the college, she's a student ambassador, and everything that we do or request Rebecca to do, she goes above and beyond.
I think I push myself because it's something that I want, and if I set my mind on something, I will get to that goal.
Rebecca has had to deal with not only growing up, but becoming a parent, looking after her sisters, and also taking on education at her later life. And in doing so, has excelled in everything that she's done.
I am a busy person, and I like being busy. I've got 2 kids, and obviously with a full-time course, and seeing to the kids in school and out of school, I am a very busy person, and that's the way I like to be. And I think it's good for my kids to see that once you start something, you should finish it as well.
She comes in on a Monday when she shouldn't be here.
As I started a few weeks later than others, I've been in to catch up to the rest of them.
She works hard, she does above and beyond what she needs to do. She helps other students within the college. Obviously, as a result of that, they feed off Rebecca and can see where progress from their own training can take them.
My goal in life is to run my own business, a paint and decorating business, to provide for my family, and maybe in a few years' time have my a family business with both my boys.